Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to set up VPN on Samsung Galaxy A17. If you're using A17 and now you want to set up VPN, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your settings app, then go for connections, go for more connection settings, and you'll find VPN setting. Just tap on it, and here if you have any VPN, so it will appear here. Or if you won't have any VPN, so you will not get anything there, but you can add a VPN here. So here you can see here our VPN settings. If you want to add any VPN, just tap on three dots in the top right corner, tap on add VPN profile, and here you must have to enter the name, and here's the type and address, ISPC, and here's some more settings. Here's the password. You must have to enter the password. Once you have that, just tap on save and your VPN will appear here. You can easily connect with that. So that's how you can easily make a setup of your VPN in Samsung Galaxy A17. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.